Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I would like to do a follow-up on Vybz Kartel in St. Vincent and the Grenadines. About a week ago, Vybz Kartel shocked the world when he was seen on a private jet heading to the beautiful island of St. Vincent and the Grenadines. It sparked a lot of speculation as to the reason why Vybz Kartel could be in St. Vincent. People were talking about, is it a concert? Is it is health, going to see a doctor, or is it political motivated? Now we have more information, and Vybz Kartel has been getting medical treatment for his Graves' disease, and now we see Vybz Kartel talking about the possibility of investment properties in St. Vincent and the Grenadines. So let's talk about it.
Yeah. About it, you see those people bill already, so you still have a bill.
We don't let up?
Yes, because you see them already gone up, so you won't be compromised.
Yeah, I understand. So it's right there, sir?
Right here.
Don't let up. And pull it. What's that shit that we are down there, so? Right, this so. Nice man. Nice. Right, Jaja. See what I say? Yeah man, right.
So in the video that I did a few days ago about Vybz Kartel trip to St. Vincent and the Grenadines, I mentioned in that video that sources from St. Vincent, information that I got that Vybz Kartel could possibly be going there for medical treatment, and the same source was saying that it could be politically motivated. So now he's on the ground for almost a week now, and now we're getting information and seeing footage coming out of St. Vincent and the Grenadines, and I have to say Vybz Kartel is busy in St. Vincent. We have seen him with the Prime Minister, the Honorable Ralph Gonzalez. Like, we've seen him having dinner with the Prime Minister of St. Vincent and the Grenadines. And we see them joking around and, seem to be having a lot of fun in St. Vincent and the Grenadines. A lot of people, from what I'm hearing, it seemed to be a lot of backlash, a lot of questions being asked from Jamaican media, from media sources in the US also. And based on what I'm hearing, an interview from a popular news network in America that called Ralph Gonzalez for an interview, and pretty much they were drilling him in this interview, asking him about why Vybz Kartel is there and is it politically motivated. And in that interview, Ralph Gonzalez answered and said that he doesn't need Vybz Kartel to win an election. He has won 5 elections already by himself, and he's positive about winning his 6th election. So that just a bit of an update coming from the political side of it. Now, it is confirmed that Vybz Kartel is getting treatment in St. Vincent for his Graves' disease. I know in the earlier video, one of the things, it was a bit skeptical for me because St. Vincent, in that earlier video, I said St. Vincent was a smaller island, and a lot of times I know people from St. Vincent would go to Miami or to Jamaica or Trinidad if there's any major surgery or anything that they want to do. But from what we're getting now, there are special doctors in St. Vincent, in particular, a well-known doctor, a Cuban doctor in St. Vincent that specializes in Graves' disease. So that's one of the reasons why he's there.
Is that here? Yeah. Born the man them rape. Listen, this is Vybz Kartel, I represent for Angie Maya. When you see her, she hot like fire. Hold on, man. Hold on, she make me a perspire. So you may say, Angie, wish you the best in the music, right? Yeah, man. More life, more blessing, man. And success in your career. You're there for a year. Don't?
Yes, so the other part of this now, people were curious as to why Vybz Kartel lawyer was traveling with him and is still there with him in St. Vincent. And now it's all making sense in terms of buying properties in St. Vincent. I know being to St. Vincent myself and going into as soon as you enter St. Vincent, you come out of the airport. There are signs all over stating that St. Vincent is open for investment. So it's St. Vincent is pretty much open to investors from the Caribbean or from different from wherever, because as I said in recent videos that I post about 6 or 7 videos from St. Vincent and the Grenadines stating that St. Vincent is the next hotspot in the Caribbean because of sandals being there now, the 2020 Cricket World Cup, and just a buzz that's been going on in St. Vincent since the opening of the airport and after pandemic and the island open right now for business. So it would make sense why Vybz Kartel would want to invest in properties in St. Vincent. It's low key. I would think that he would consider that it's much safer for him there than it would be in Jamaica. It's a very beautiful island. There's a lot to do. As you can see, like Vybz Kartel enjoying himself, going to La Soufrière and exercising and taking care of his health. So, that's a good look. And the investment, you can't go wrong with investing in St. Vincent and the Grenadines right now because, as I said, it's a buzz. The other thing that I saw, I see him endorsing, artists in St. Vincent. So you never know. There might be like a Gaza empire coming out of St. Vincent soon. So, that is it. I don't know. In the last video, I stated that I think that there's a possibility that there could be a concert in St. Vincent because of the newly renovated stadium. And I believe that the relationship with him and Ralph Gonsalves and the new stadium, the new facility there, and the buzz that he's having now, just coming out and planning a tour, I think that St. Vincent could be one of the spots where one of his concerts could be. So guys, let me know what you think in the comment section. Are you surprised about Vybz Kartel investing in St. Vincent, and do you think he's going to relocate there? Do you think he should probably stay in St. Vincent for a while and just keep low-key because of, just coming out and the safety concern in Jamaica? Just let me know what you think in the comment section. And do you think that there's still a chance that it might be political because there's an election coming up in about a year time and Ralph Gonsalves will be trying to go for like a record 6th term in office? Let me know what you think in the comment section. Just sound off and let me know what you're thinking. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing content. And remember, peace. I'm out.
People, this look like a regular rock. But it's not. This is a volcanic rock. You send the lava flow out of the volcano, and after about 2 days, when it hard up, it make the crystal looking something. So
where you pick this up? Where you pick this up?
At the top of the volcano.
Okay. How long it take you to get up there?
Well, 2 hours for go up, and 3.5 hours for come down, because I'm tired. You see me, wifey come down. Yeah. So, you see it, see them. Yeah, man.
Years before you get ever see anything like this
again, alright. You're not going to see the volcano in Europe again. And we're there with Marlon Samuel the Great. Iconic. Super trainer above hell. He might kill me off people. See him cook.